All right, at the cabin, and I need to do starting here. I did all this yesterday. Starting here and go all the way down the whole length. Need to put some in here too. So get all this done. Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. I'm doing exactly what I want to do, which is work on my cabin. So, this is what I get to do today. Which will be nice. Just sit here and listen to the creek flow. You can see it. So this runs all the time into the lake. Beautiful. So yeah, not a bad place to be. So, finished that all up yesterday. So this guy's tearing this one down. Check it out. It had 2x4s tied back and vinyl siding, no plywood at all on the walls. Nice, huh? So they're gonna do a total rebuild on that. Anyway, here's mine. So you can see I did the extra blocking here. All this extra blocking the whole way. And I did underneath. That's what I did yesterday until I ran out of screws. But yeah, that'll give it more. The guy that came and we met the other day told me I should firm this up better, so that's what I'm doing. All right, hope you're having a great Christmas Eve. All right, I'm just going to show you all what I'm doing here. Keep tripping on it. 14 3/8. Frozen wood. Doesn't like frozen wood. Nope. Alright, so I've got this all done. All my blocking. All the way, the outside is done now. Everything's done except for the decking and secure the floats. Gonna move some floats, then I can secure the floats. And then do the blocking inside. That's all I have left. And that's it.